In this video, I'm going to break down the lighting setups I use for a cinematic kit launch video for a Premier League football club. Let's go! The first scene is in the changing rooms of the home team. A couple of the players are getting ready, putting on a shirt and looking super moody. The first thing I did was kill the overhead lighting. It's yellow, gross, very unflattering. Practical for a changing room, but not right for an advert. I've got a top light boomed in overhead on a mini jib. This is a Aladdin 2x1 LED panel with a skirt and an egg crate with some diffusion. I use this to create soft light from above that doesn't spill onto the background, and that was set to about 75%. I also rigged up a small 60B clamped to the top of the shelf. This had barn doors and I set it to spotlight, picking out the shirt hung up. I used two practical lights in shot to add some colour and vibrancy. These are RGB LED tubes from Godox. I can pretty much pick any colour and there's millions of different effects built in. Each one lasts for about 5 hours and I use them on almost every shoot. So that's the three main light sources I used in this scene. Moments before the players came in, I hazed the room. So this is what softens that digital look a bit and helps bring out the direction of the lights. I just used a little smoke machine I bought off Amazon that I've had for years. Whatever you do, make sure you get permission in advance if you're going to haze any type of room. Like, the last thing you want to do is set off alarms and evacuate a building. I may have already done this once this year, even though it wasn't my fault because we actually had permission. But just triple check these things. The next lighting setup is out on the concourse. So this is where the fans grab a beer before watching a game. I wanted some moody shots of these wolves coming out of the darkness. We blocked off all the light spilling in through the doors with gaffer tape and hung drapes over the open doorways. That meant I had a little bit of a homemade blackout studio space to then build upon. My main light source was the Aperture 300X and a spotlight mount rigged off into the distance. I brought in the blades to create a funky shaft of light. I wanted the wolf to majestically walk in and out of the beam, casting silhouettes and various shapes. I boomed the Aladdin LED panel overhead using a mini boom setup with tons of sandbags and added boatloads of haze. Without the haze, you just wouldn't see this beam of light, as the light would have nothing to bounce off, it would just hit the floor. So there you have it. Two pretty simple setups I used for this kit launch video. As you can tell, there isn't 20 different lights with a whole crew running around rigging it. It was me and a camera assistant trying to be creative in a limited space and incredibly limited time. For context, we have the players for about 30 minutes and they can come at almost any time throughout the day, so you have to think quickly and efficiently to get the coverage you need. It is a full day's work and we often refer to it as hurry up and wait, but that's filmmaking for you. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Peace.